Hello, my name is Viharaa Jayasinghe and today I'm going to be doing the question set 6 of DBMS Day 2. Let's see. The Board of Directors of Sekal Academy has decided to computerize the information of all teachers in the educational institution. The software was developed by Targa Software Solution. Imagine that you are working as senior software engineer in this company. You and your team are responsible for creating the database of this software. Create the database according to the instructions given to you. The instructions are as follows. So, so this paragraph basically means that they say that there is a academy called Sekal Academy, and the board of directors of that academy has decided to computerize the information of all teachers in the educational institution, and that software is developed by Targa Software Solutions. And they say to imagine myself as a senior software engineer of that company, and my team is assigned to create the database of that software. We have to follow the below instructions as well. Now, the first question would be create a database called Sequel Academy to store students' data. So, to create a database, let's right click our connection and let's give the name. As you can see, we can find our database right to here. So the next question would be create a table called student to store students data. Follow the instructions below to create this table. So let's create our student table. Firstly we have to right click the database and let's give the name student. If you set up the contact number as the primary key, it would be problematic as one contact number can be used by two students in case if there are twins in a class. So that's that. Our table. See the third question. Enter the data shown in the table below in the table you prepare. Okay. When entering data, enter the data graphically. Our data in the graphical method. So the first cell would be, and that would be the first row. Likewise, I would be entering the other rows as well. So I have included all the data. So let's see what we have to update first. So the first one would be the gender of the student whose student page number is STU underscore 006 is marked as female, which is this. but should be changed to male. So as you can see, below is the basic syntax of uh, update query statement. So update set, and where are the keywords here, and table name is table name. We can, if we want to specify the table name more, we can type the database name dot the table name, and the value we need to change to is this one, and the column relevant to it is this, and to specify it, uh, we made this condition, which is the column name and the value relevant to it. So we can specifically point out the value we need to change. So yes, let's go to HeidiSQL and insert our first update query. And that will do actually. Let's enter our columns and values. Now this is our first update query. Now let's execute it. And let's go to the our table, and let's refresh it. So as you can see, it has changed to male. So that's that. Let's go to the next one we need to update. Adoni Jayasinghe student reg number stud capital STUD underscore 010 is stored in the database. It should be changed to STU underscore capital STU underscore 010. So in here, this is the first name of the person, this is the last name. So evidently we have to use both of them in order to change this to this. So let's see. So this is the basic syntax. So this is the basic structure of the query relevant to the second part, and as you can see, we have used the keyword "and" here, as we have to use two conditions, and those two conditions must be satisfied in order to change the value, the current value to the new value. So I will fill these now, and that would be the second query. Let's execute it, and let's go to our table, and Naduni, we consider Naduni Vijayasinghe student reg number should change after we refresh the table. So as you can see, it changed. The D has vanished this time. So the next one would be student reg number capital STU underscore 020 students first name must be changed to Kalani, and this should be changed to Kalani, and we have to write the update code for that. We have to change the first name of the student who has the student reg number STU underscore 020. So let's in order to specify our need. So this would be the last update query. Let's execute it once again and see what happens to our student table. Let's refresh it. As you can see, the first name changed to Kalani. In all, that would be the end of the discussion of question set 6 of DBMS Day 2. And thank you for watching.